welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to learn about different tastes of food.
Taste. Sweet, sweet. Sour, sour. Salty, salty. Spicy, spicy. Bitter, bitter. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy, bitter. This cake is sweet. This cake is sweet. This lemonade is sour. This lemonade is sour. These chips are salty. These chips are salty. These tacos are spicy. These tacos are spicy. This coffee is bitter. This coffee is bitter. Today's questions and answers. Do you like it? Yes, it's delicious. Do you like lemons? No, they're too sour. Is it spicy? Yes, it is.
Hey, hey, hey.